In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI Autocomplete to generate suggestions with Jenni AI. By the way, before we begin, there is a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, so in case you would like to try out Jenni AI for free for yourself as well, you can check that link and start with this. So, the first thing I want to tell you when you're trying to use this autocomplete feature is that it can be done anywhere inside the document, and it can help you tremendously if you essentially got stuck and don't know where to continue with your writing. So as you can see, it's already giving me some suggestions, and I'll show you how to actually use it. So let's say over here I have just a title of my document, which is how to use Jenni AI Assistant. I'm just going to type in, now Jenni has a smart autocomplete, and then I'm going to leave it blank, and as you can see in a few seconds it will give you an autocomplete suggestion. Now usually it's very relevant, so as you can see now the sentence would be, Jenni has a smart autocomplete feature that suggests relevant responses as you type, allowing for efficient and natural conversations, which is exactly what that is. So I'm gonna just press accept over here because I like it, and as you can see it's gonna just continue on. And if you then just leave your over here your cursor blinking, it's gonna start generating things even further. Now it can tell you some things, and it can even, as you can see over here, start citing in different authors. If you don't like these suggestions over here, you can just start typing in for yourself whatever you want. For example, what's also great is, and then you can just leave it and just wait for a few seconds. There we go, and it's gonna start over here. It's gonna generate something and give you an idea of what you could write. If you don't like this, you can press try again, and it's gonna regenerate and give you something different. And let's say you like this, for example, and you can then just press accept, and there we go. So as you can see over here, this is actually very powerful, and you can accept this or try again as many times as you want over here. Now, the shortcut to this would be Control and then / on your keyboard. So if you want to use that at any time, for example, in a new paragraph or something, without waiting, you can just use Control and / and you'll be good to go. Your autocomplete will start generating some text. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and check the link for Jenni AI down below in the description to help me out as well.